family. Hello YouTube family. Today with a new view, I'm sharing something new. Okay. What if we do densification of our religious beliefs? Now a lot of you would consider what do you mean by that. I also had a lot of questions about that. First things first, what do you mean by belief and religion? Belief means what you should think you are capable of. Belief means what you think you are capable of. Are the practices and knowledge which are left behind by our ancestors. Nobody tries to question their own religion. I'm a Hindu, I still question my own religion. Somehow I found out most of my answers. And yeah, there are still some questions which I don't think is important enough to be answered. Okay. As a nerdy kid, I can say I have a bit of knowledge in various fields like math, science, economics, business, socialization, accounts, and various others. Let me share something about myself. I grew up in a household full of chaos and no coordination and a lot of ego clashes. Everybody wants to give advice, nobody listens to the advices, okay? Where I was constantly living in survival mode. But that's a topic completely for someday else, but that was a brief given by me. Okay. Things which are common among all of my family members was a belief in God. Okay. Also growing up nobody forced me to do puja or something. Everybody said to do but nobody forced me. Okay. In my dreams after watching cartoons of Lord Ganesha, Hanuman, Krishna, they used to come. Okay. I also had a great interest in mythology. For me, mythology shouldn't be called mythology. It should be called history or something else. Because mythology comes from the word myth and logy, where myth means which is not true. In my perspective, ancient scriptures and Vedic science always prove some need to be true. The Mahabharata, Ramayana, and other Hindu stories always finds evidence, yet many people try to destroy it. Have you ever wondered why? Every religion, caste, and every other thing in the universe coexist together. Every being has a basic dual nature, call it good or evil, masculine or feminine, hell and heaven, name it. You will find this. That's how a religion should be seen and a belief should be made. I know a bit of astrology which I learned to gain a perspective. First, it gave me insights about life. First and the foremost things, what is meant for you can't be taken away. The amount of knowledge you gain, and second is the amount of knowledge you gain is already written. Many people you meet who might be get a lot of qualifications on paper, but they are living the worst life in reality. They have no family life or something like that. They live they lack basic humanity and knowledge, common sense. Okay. One more thing astrology has taught me: nothing was ever in your control. Only how much you can learn from your own and other people's mistakes and lives. That's how you should live. One rule I live by is चोर का काम है चोरी करना. मेरा काम है आइडेंटिफाई करके हाउ आई कुड प्रिवेंट इट. एंड ये आई लिव इन अबंडेंस, सो कौन कितना ही क्या ही ले जाएगा इफ एवरीथिंग इज रिटन फॉर मी. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम मी, रिशा, कॉलिंग यू ऑफ. बाय.